Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to apply the top and bottom border to the selected cell with a single command. Firstly, select your cells, then hold Control. Sorry. Hold Control. Select these two. Then I select Magic Max on cell. I select 3D. Then you go to the border option, find the top and bottom border. Click here. We can see top and bottom border, and we bold this border. Go to the border, style, click this style. Then you dragging this border. Just drag. Thanks for watching video.